Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car's been upgraded to have this lovely opening panoramic glass roof, 19-inch alloy wheels, an electric tailgate, there's heated front seats with driver massage. Now, the car comes with full LED headlights. You also get front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car, it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. You get a smartphone charging plate. The car has some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.